Mr. Jinx? You gonna get ready? You gonna get ready?
I've never met a girl who makes me feel the way that you do.
Alright. Harnessed up. Saturdays. It's your favorite time of day. Let's go.